Darts train trip today. Today we're travelling from Savannah to Orlando. The time now, we just made our train at 6:40. I can't think of what we're stopping at now, but I'll get it up very shortly. So I'll see you guys at whatever our next stop is, and I hope you enjoy this final part of the train journey. I'll tell you what stations we're actually stopping at. Our first stop is Jessup, then Jacksonville, Palatka, Denton, Winter Park, and Orlando. I'll see you guys at Jessup at 7:40, and departing Jessup at 7:45. Running about 10 minutes late now. Look at it, it's bright from being completely dark. Well, I believe this is Jessup anyway. After this, our next stop will be Jacksonville, where we will wait for about 15 minutes, but I'm not sure if we'll still wait for 15 minutes due to the delay of this train. And I'll show you guys how big this station is. Oh, no, we're stopping again. Okay. Off and leaving Jessup. And trust me, this station's actually like smaller than Wunderbain. I'm trying to show you guys when it comes up. There you go, that's all that station is. So, next stop Jacksonville, and I'll see you guys there. And it's a board. Anyway, next stop Jacksonville. We're now arriving into Jacksonville, but I really have no idea because I can't actually see the station. Oh yeah, we've arrived into Jacksonville. So. We've already just left Jacksonville. I didn't film it because I was getting food, but I believe our next stop, if I can check, is Palatka at 10:40. So that should be our next stop, and then yeah, so I'll see you guys at Palatka or whatever. In Palatka. Next stop is D-Land is all it is. So I was still going over the level crossing. Palatka is just like Jessup and Kingstree, which like the size of Wunderbain basically. Whistle board and the level crossing. There's the giant gantry. So next up, D-Land. So arriving to Palatka, and of course it's on the other side again, which is annoying. So I'll film leaving just on this side to land now, and we should leave in about a minute. And of course, again, it's on the other side. So I don't think hopefully there should be a platform on that side of Winter Park, and hopefully Orlando as well. So we'll see. D-Land. Next stop, Winter Park, which will be. It'll be at 12:26. We're running about 5 minutes late, so maybe a bit later. There's the level crossing. So next up, Winter Park. I apologise for this video being a bit crap, but next stop Park. And for once, the station is on the right side. It's just simply just a giant concrete pavement. But that's alright.
Dude, look at this.
So,
arriving at Winter Park. This is Winter Park, folks.
Yeah, this is Winter Park. So next stop after this will be Orlando, which will be the final stop. Winter Park. Next stop Orlando, which is the final stop for this whole entire journey which I'm taking. Which means I probably won't film arriving in, but I will at least end it off properly. There's the level crossing for Winter Park. I think this platform's for the I don't know actually.
Hi there.
A bit confusing.
Mind if I join you for a bit?
There's the proper building for Winter Park. Almost done. Okay, next stop is Orlando.